Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hello and welcome back to my channel hashtags with VChill, and in this video we'll be making a national bird peacock origami model. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is how the final model of peacock looks like. You can keep its tail something like this, or you can stick this tail, open it and stick it. It looks something like this. This looks really beautiful. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. For this, you'll need a rectangular piece of paper. Width should be 30 centimeters and height should be 15 centimeters. Let's check. So width is approximately 30 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. So let's start. First, we need to fold from this corner to this point along vertical axis. So I have this crease already present. I'll just fold it. You get a square. Now from this point you fold it down along the diagonal axis. Press it properly. Open it back so that you get this crease. Now you need to fold it from this point to this point along another diagonal axis. Open it up again. You get this X formed over here. Now you open this back and you need to fold from this point to this point along horizontal axis. Something like this. Open it again. Now rotate your paper again. So now press it in the center so that this automatically folds. Press it like this so that it automatically folds to form a triangle. So this part, this first half, this is the body of the peacock and this forms the tail of the peacock. We'll come to the tail later. Press it properly so that you have all folds properly done. Now you hold this one flap and fold it something like this. Press it properly. Similarly, you do it on the other side. Open it back again and you will see there is a opening over here, this one. So you open it up from one side of the flap, you open it and then use this crease, this and this, to fold it something like this. And fold it from the center. It forms something like this. Similarly, we need to do it on another side with this flap. You open it from here and use those creases. If that crease is not properly formed, then you can fold it again, press it properly so that you get that crease properly, and then you open it from the spacing which we have there, something like this. Fold it from the center. Now we pick one side, open this side, and from here, from this point, you fold this, something like this. Similarly, on the opposite side, try to keep it as symmetric as possible. Now you need to open this back again and hold this flap and fold it from bottom to top, something like this. And then you'll have these creases formed. You need to fold it inside basically. So you open this, you have this creases formed, fold it properly, similarly on this side you do it, align it properly so that the edges are crisp and proper, something like this, and then fold it downwards. This is how it forms. It's okay if this point is not meeting, so you can slightly try to make it proper, something like this. Fold it down and fold it from the center. Similarly, we need to do it on this side, so open this flap and we need to repeat the same steps from this edge till the center. From this point till the center. Pick this and open these two flaps, and then we repeat the same steps as we did it earlier, something like this. Use those creases to fold it inwards and then make a triangle. Again, these two edges are not meeting up, so we'll align them properly so that you get a sharp point. And then you fold it like this. Okay, now there is a triangular flap over here. You fold it upwards. Similarly, you fold these properly so that you have all the folds properly done. Now this is the tough part. So this flap is outside. Now you need to fold this flap inwards, something from this point, this space, right? There is this space. You need to fold this flap inwards. So we hold these two cones and then you open it up. Hold like this using your thumbs, open it up and then fold it inwards, press it properly and then close these back. So there was the triangular flap here which was out and now it became inwards. It went in. Now you hold this one cone and fold it like this. It was vertical, you make it horizontal. Similarly on this side. Now you open them back and open this flap, one flap. There are two here, so open one and then fold this inwards, something like this. Similarly, we do it on this side. So open one flap, fold it inwards, press it properly, align it, and it's done. Now you fold this towards one side and this thing you need to fold it till the center, something like this. Similarly you do it on the opposite side. And then open this up properly. It looks something like this. Now we need to fold it such a way that this point here, this point touches this point. So you hold it something like this, use your index and middle fingers, hold it something like this and then you fold it slowly and then make this point touch the bottom point, something like this, and press it properly. Open it up and rotate your page. You'll get something like this. There are two creases, one this and one this. So this is your borderline crease of the tail. So this entire part is your tail, will make it, and this line is your borderline. You should not go beyond this line.